So welcome to the workshop vlog. So welcome to the workshop vlog. First of all, I'm going to be apologising, probably yet again, for not posting any project videos just recently. And there is one big reason for that, and this is what this workshop vlog is going to be all about. So yes, the workshop has been built, and we're going to be taking a look around. So during this video I'm going to be showing you some of the build videos that have been taken, some time lapses and probably some pictures and things like that, and that's what's going to be going on now. So there we go, the base has been laid. It's still obviously wet, it was only done this morning, finished about 9:30, and it's now 11:05. All laid, boys have done well. So one thing I've got to do is get a window to go in there. I've been told it doesn't matter if it's smaller, they can frame it out, which is great. It's all going to be a second-hand frame. I'm not going to go out and buy new windows. Apparently there's a company that it's quite close that does them, that they've taken out old houses. Oh yeah, so it's looking good. So this is Monday morning, and apparently the frame will start going up Thursday, and they're going to work through the weekend, and so it could all be done by next week, most of it. Yippee! So now you've watched all those videos, time lapses of the build, I'm now going to be showing you the completed product. Actually not quite completed because I haven't got an electricity supply yet. I'm still getting the quotes in. but I thought you would all like to, especially after my teaser on Instagram, I thought I would like show you the completed building. And I'm now going to turn you around and you're going to see the fantastic building that I've got. So there you go guys, there's the entrance door from the back garden, and as you can see we have a window, obviously the door, quite explanatory really. So we've got a hard base there, we've got the steps up, and it extends out to the side there. Now it's been painted in black barn paint. Really good product, that barn paint. If you've not heard of it and you want to paint your workshops, it's a really good product. It's a bit like creosote but a lot thicker, doesn't smell so much, and it's going to last quite a long time according to my builder. So I'm really pleased with how that's gone on, and it looks really good. I've still got a few bits to around the doors, around the windows, to all the finer touches that I'm going to leave to my wife to do, because she's much better at that than me. I don't mind slapping it on the big bits, but the little bits, yeah, she's better at that than me. So the door has been stained in a varnish, and it has steps up. So let's take a little wander. Here we go, past the wife's workshop, summer house. So we've got the steps leading up behind the fish pond, which I think is really ingenious. It's really cool. It's a really nice entrance to the workshop. Down this side we've got a little bit of rubbish. We're going to be having a water butt in there, so it's not just going to go down to the ground, and then from the water butt there's going to be a pipe going into another drain which is behind the wife's summer house. So the window, that was reclaimed. I got that for £30 and it's pretty cool. It's got a bit of condensation in the glass, but hey, it's a workshop at the end of the day. I'm not really bothered about that. For 30 quid, how can you not refuse a double glazed window? So as we go up the steps, as you may be able to see, we've got a hole in there, and underneath this all lifts up like so, with the plants out the way. All under there is all the pump system and filter system for the fish pond. And what a lovely view to come out and to listen to the running water. Awesome. And it's really easy to get to the pump, because I finished it. Actually, just cleaned out the pump this morning and the filters and everything. So into the workshop we go. Now it is got a bit of rubbish in here, which we're sort of waiting for the electricity supply to come in. And I've already put me lathe tool rack up, even though there's no lathe. But I can't do anything at the moment anyway because I've got no electricity supply. This door was the old door from the shed over there. So as you can see, in there was what I used to work in. And now this is what I've got. I have measured it, and from that wall there, from this wall all the way across to this wall is 15 feet, I think, if I can remember rightly. From this wall all the way across to here, it's 12 foot. So there's the ceiling spinning you around. Now I've got some nice little cubby holes up there. You can see I've stored some a box up there already. So there's going to be some nice little cubby holes for some boxes above there. And let's go into the old workshop. So this, eventually, when I get everything out of here, and it's only when you stand in the new bit and look back in here and you think, how the hell have I been working in here? Obviously the table saw's out there already, so that was taking up even more space. And it's just remarkable on how much stuff is in here. And I'm now thinking, oh my god, where am I going to put it all when I get it into the new shop? But it'll all fit, obviously. It's got to. So yeah, that's going to be like a finishing room and a finished product storage area when I do breadboards and anything else, bowls and things like that. So layout plan, I have a rough idea. Obviously I've got the table saw there and that's on wheels, but eventually I hope to change that, but at the moment that's what I've got to put up with. And then we're going to have planer, drill, what else? Yeah, the chop saw, very rubbish chop saw, that one. So over this side I'm going to have my workbench here, and obviously under the tools the lathe's going to be around where that door is, and then in the corner is going to be my sharpening system, and then everywhere else it's going to be storage of some kind or other. I am going to be insulating it and cladding it with some plywood, but obviously I'm waiting for all the electrics to be done before I can really start on doing any of that. So here we have the back door, and I'll just quickly open it up. So we've got 3 bolts, and then I can show you the outside. Someone's bad. Great. So there you go. There's the back. So we've made it look a bit like a fence, to be honest. The guy's got to come and finish off putting some render on this this part of the concrete base, just to tidy it all up. So yeah, so that's the back of the shop. And again, this barn paint goes on so fantastic. Now I do have to say it was expensive. It was 40, nearly £50 for a tin of 5 litre, and I've got it here. I will give you a quick show of the tin after I just lock this up. So you can't open this door from the outside, just the inside. So here we go. There's the barn paint, and just to give you an idea, just in case you're interested, and I think it was 5 litres. Yep, 5 litre tin was just under £50. But it's done well, there's still quite a bit left in there. And this is the varnish I used for the door. The Monseal outdoor varnish in a gloss. So boxes there are full of all my old blanks and pieces of wood that need to be turned into blanks and stuff like that. That wire, just in case you're interested, that's for the pond feed, which will obviously get changed once I've got all the electrics done in here. So this window we've left in, and maybe you may have noticed that this part is obviously a lot taller than it was going to be originally in the plans, because if you remember, I said in my last vlog it was the roof was going to be coming from underneath this sill across to here, mainly because we wanted to keep this window outside. But then my wife made the suggestion of completely enclosing it and doing without it, and I have to admit, like most women, she was right, and it worked out really well. And that's why the pitch of the roof is high here, low here, which was going to be the other way around. It was going to be high here and low here, so we didn't have to have any sort of guttering, and it could drip outside onto the car park concrete. But changed it and it works really well, so I'm really happy with this. I just want the electrics done so I can get in and start making some things and start filming again. But that's it, there's not much else to say. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope I've been able to show the workshop in a excellent position. I hope I've done it justice with the filming, because it's quite hard to film inside to get the sense of how big it is. I have to say, I think my wife is jealous. So anyway, if you're a new subscriber here, thank you for subscribing. If you're just watching this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more better projects. I've got lots of things to build now. I want to build a nice workbench, a lathe bench for my lathe, and racks and stuff for wood, because that's where, or this area over here by the window, that's going to be where my storage of wood to be used is going to be. So yeah, so if you're a new subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing again. All my old subscribers, thank you for watching, and thank you for being patient with a lack of project videos. But hopefully as soon as the electrics have done, we'll start get back into it. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It just gives me more encouragement to start making things and producing things and doing different things. So from me, it's a big goodbye, and hopefully we'll see you in the next project soon. So take care everybody. Bye bye.